Holy crap, beautiful day on a Sunday. I'm going to go in the garage. Holy crap, look what's been sleeping in my garage. I love this car. Look at that thing. That just looks fast standing still. I wonder what's under the car cover. That certainly looks fast. I don't know. Let's take a look. Wow, sure is a pretty color. Man, that looks fast. Holy crap. Silver racing stripe, the whole shot. Racing numbers. I gotta uncover some more. Whoa, a roll bar, fire extinguisher. Oh, look at that. It's a man's car. It's got a 4-speed. Tachometer. Those seats don't look very big. Man, I wonder what's under the hood. Let's take a look. Holy crap. I'll bet you that's one of those 427 side oilers. They have lots of horsepower. And that's dual quads. I'm guessing just by looking at it, that's a little bit over 1400 CFM. Yep. That's a lot of fuel air to make that big motor, big motor go fast. Holy crap. This thing, look at this. It's even got cool side pipes. Man. And real wide, look like about 10.5-inch tires. Oh, I'll bet you that'll hook up the power and make it go fast. Wonder what the quarter mile on something like this is. Gee, I'm guessing in the 10-second range. Wow. Boy, I sure would like to have a race with somebody. Maybe a Chevy. Kick their ass. Show them who's boss. Wow. And it's got a cool race car next to it. Man, it's got a big old hood scoop. What's that saying there? Oh man, this is an old school 426 Hemi. Man, that is so cool. You know what? This car's even got a roll bar in it. Holy cow, this is so cool. Man, and a 4-speed? Wow. A window net? This car is so cool. I don't know which one's better, but I bet you they both beat Chevys.